Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And in this video, I want to talk about why your business must be in the right place. Now, I'm on Regent Street in London, one of the busiest streets in London. The rent obviously is very high here, but even though we've gone through a very difficult few years, there's almost no shops that are empty. They're pretty much all full. And that's because even with difficult times, thousands and thousands and thousands of people come here each and every day. Now, your business might be in the wrong place. You see, I've got friends that have got a retail shop in Dorking. And I said, why would you build a retail shop in Dorking? There's literally nobody there, no footfall there. And the reasoning they said was because it was cheaper. Now, the problem they've got now is getting customers. So whatever they do, even if they're the best marketers in the world with retail, it's really about who walks past your door, right? It's very hard to market to someone to get them to go past your door in a retail environment. So you must be in the busiest place that you can possibly afford. Now, it doesn't have to be Regent Street. It could be a shopping centre. It could be the next town across from you. But the cost that you will incur in extra rent will be made up by the fact that you'll get more customers into your business. And this is where most people go wrong. They're cheap on the wrong stuff. The most important thing you'll need in business is to get and keep customers. And if you're a retailer, you can't get customers unless you're in the right place. Now, even here in central London, we can walk a couple of streets over and the retail stores there, a lot of them have gone bankrupt through the pandemic. They're closed. They didn't get the footfall that they needed to survive, to thrive, to make sure that they stuck through these difficult times. And so my message to you from this is to make sure your business is in the right place. Now, if you're not a bricks and mortar store, then the right place for you is online. And that could be various places. It could be LinkedIn, it could be Google, it could be TikTok, it could be Snapchat. I don't know what's right for your business, but what I do know is that you do need to invest the time and knowledge in figuring out how to use these platforms to get and keep customers. Because when you do that, your business will be successful, whatever gets thrown at you in the next few months. So do invest and figure out how you can get this stuff working. Now, I want to give you a shortcut on that, and I want you to get a free copy of my book, Expert Mastery. So in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link where you can grab a free copy of Expert Mastery today. So do that now, click on the link, grab that, get this internet marketing stuff figured out, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. While you're here as well, do like this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel as well. Bye for now.